Okay, so here we have a nice flyover of Ambergris Caye in Belize, and I'm going to show you Secret Beach. But as of right now, we're looking north towards the top of the island, and that breakwater to your right is the barrier reef. And so now we're going across the island from east to west, and there in the middle of the screen you can see the Secret Beach area that's been developed. And I try to zoom in and show you a bunch of the houses that have been put up, and then right as I do, some clouds roll in. So I apologize for the obstruction, but if we hang tight for 1 second, we will come out on the other side of Secret Beach, and you'll still be able to get some great views. So hang tight, and as it comes back into focus, we're now past the Palmaya Woods and Grand Belizean Estates area, and we're now closer to the water. This access road that runs north and south here is part of a big new development. Specifically right there where that square is in the middle of your screen is a beautiful brand new development that's going in. I believe it's called West Key, and lots in there I think are starting at like 40,000, and really nice lots in there, big lots. There's looking north on the west side of the island from Secret Beach, and all the way down, and there, as you can see, the waterfront's really starting to get developed. And there it is. Hope you enjoyed. Hey, are you investing in Secret Beach? Are you buying land? Are you building a home or investment property? Follow our journey as we build homes and develop land in Secret Beach. Or connect with us. We'd love to hear from you. You can reach us at our email, secretbeachhomes@gmail.com, or at our website, secretbeachhomes.com. See you in Belize.